Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying, where we bring you smart gadgets that make your everyday life easier and more enjoyable. Today we are diving into the best smart wireless meat thermometer that gives you total freedom while cooking and helps you get perfect results every time. If you want convenience and accuracy together, this one is worth checking out. Let's get started. Today, we're looking at the Nigagor Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer, a modern cooking tool designed to make grilling and roasting much easier and stress-free. The first thing you will notice about the Nigagor Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer is its completely wireless design. This means you are not tied to your grill or oven. You can move around freely while still keeping track of your cooking, which makes the whole process more relaxed and enjoyable. One of the key features of the Nigagor Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer is its app connectivity. It works smoothly with both Android and iOS devices, allowing you to monitor your food directly from your phone. You can check temperature updates anytime without going back and forth to the kitchen, which saves time and effort. The thermometer uses a ceramic probe with dual sensors, which is a big advantage. One sensor measures the internal temperature of the meat, while the other checks the surrounding heat. This gives you a more complete picture of how your food is cooking, helping you avoid undercooking or overcooking. The ceramic handle is designed to handle high heat and transfer temperature quickly. At the same time, the fine probe design ensures that your meat stays intact and juicy. It does not damage the texture, so your food looks and tastes better. The app also includes a smart recommendation system inspired by barbecue experts. It suggests the right temperature for different types of meat, making it easier for you to cook like a pro. On top of that, it records your cooking sessions, including time and temperature. This helps you learn from your past cooking and improve your results over time. Connectivity is strong and reliable thanks to Bluetooth 5.2 technology. The Nigagor Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer offers a range of up to 432 feet, even through walls. This means you can stay comfortable indoors while your food cooks outside without losing connection. Battery life is another strong feature. The Nigagor Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer comes with a rechargeable probe and base powered by a 2000 mAh battery. After a simple 6-hour charge, you can get up to 300 hours of use. This is perfect for long cooking sessions, like slow roasting or overnight grilling. The overall design of the Nigagor Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer is clean, durable, and easy to use. Everything feels well-built and designed for convenience, making your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. Here is the exciting part. If you want more freedom and better control while cooking, this device is a great choice. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful products. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.